Over 100 million years ago, the Earth looked completely different from what we know today. There were no humans, no cities, no machines. Instead, the blue planet belonged to gigantic creatures, the dinosaurs. They were the true rulers of the world, powerful, fearsome, and dominant across every continent, in the depths of the oceans and even the vast skies above. Some species were so enormous that their bodies towered higher than today's skyscrapers. Their razor-sharp teeth and immense strength could crush bones in an instant. Some were so swift and agile that no creature could escape their pursuit. From the colossal plant eaters with long necks stretching to the treetops, to the ferocious predators with a single devastating bite, altogether they created a glorious era that lasted for 170 million years. But then one day, destiny struck. A once clear sky suddenly became the stage for disaster. From the far reaches of space, a massive celestial body, an asteroid nearly 10 kilometers wide, hurtled toward Earth at terrifying speed. In a single moment, it slammed into the Yucatan Peninsula in what is now Mexico. The impact released energy billions of times greater than the atomic bomb. Within seconds, a colossal crater more than 180 kilometers across was carved into the Earth. Shockwaves tore through the land. Earthquakes rumbled, volcanoes erupted, forests ignited, and mega tsunamis hundreds of meters high swept away entire coastlines. Yet the strike itself was only the beginning. Rock, ash, and toxic gases blasted into the atmosphere, forming a thick shroud that blocked the sun. Light could no longer reach the surface, and the planet was plunged into a long, freezing darkness that lasted for years. Temperatures dropped, plants withered without photosynthesis, vegetation died off, and the food chain collapsed. The mighty dinosaurs, creatures that required enormous amounts of food to survive, began to starve. One by one, they disappeared, from the gentle giants that grazed on leaves to the fiercest hunters at the top of the chain. They had ruled Earth for tens of millions of years, yet in the blink of a cosmic eye, their entire reign crumbled. And still, Earth itself did not die. In the shadows of dust and ash, smaller forms of life endured. Primitive birds, the direct descendants of dinosaurs, survived thanks to their small size and adaptability. Tiny mammals, which had long lived in obscurity under the dominance of dinosaurs, now emerged to seize the opportunity. From this moment, a new era began, where life continued to evolve until, millions of years later, humans appeared and carried the story of the planet forward. The death of the dinosaurs was a tragedy, but also a reminder of the fragility of life against the boundless power of the universe. Dinosaurs had once been the undisputed kings of Earth, yet even they could not escape the relentless laws of nature. The mass extinction 66 million years ago reminds us that no species lasts forever. Earth is always changing, and life must constantly adapt to survive. The final day of the dinosaurs closed the chapter of giants, but it also opened a new chapter in the history of evolution. With their disappearance, space was made for other creatures to thrive, and eventually for humanity to arise. Perhaps the greatest lesson we can learn from their story is this: if we are not careful, humanity may one day face the same path of extinction as those colossal rulers of the ancient world.